Hey guys, welcome back to another Capcut tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create stunning slow motion videos using Capcut. Open Capcut and then copy your video here. And then click and drag the file to the timeline. Let's start with the basics. In Capcut, you have straightforward way to control the speed of your entire video. Just head over to your right and click on speed. From here you can use the slider to make your video faster, or you can make your video slower. By default it will be on 1x. Let's just move it back a little. Alright, so now it's at 0.7x. Let's click on play. Alright, so if you want to fast forward the video, just move the slider up to the right. So I've gone for 4x. Let's click on play. Alright, so that's a straightforward way to control your speed for the entire video. Now let's take things up a notch with the curve feature. Head over to your right and click on curve. Click on customized. With this curve tool, you can make a specific part of a video slower or faster. As you can see, there are a few points here. So if you click on the point and move it upwards, the video will be faster. Right, so if you click on this and move it down, your video will be slower. Right, so let's use the example and see how it works. So in the beginning, the video will go upwards. That means it will go faster, and then it will go slower, and then it will go back to the normal speed. Right, so let's click on play. Right, so that's how you control the speed for a specific part. You can add more points by clicking it here. You just add more points here. All you have to do is just click plus and it will add a point. The more points you have, the better control you will get. Alright, so I have added a few points. Let's just try to automate it. Maybe I'll start with a slower one. Alright, so let's click on play and watch it. See how it's going slow and fast? Alright, so I have done some more changes here. Let's see how the video looks now. Alright, that's very cool. So you can use this feature and then sync it with the music to make it more engaging. So we just added all the points manually by using the customized option. You can also use these presets where the curve is already made. Alright, so let's just try this. You see the curve is already made. Click on play. You can also change this and use it according to you. There are other presets as well. Check out all the curves, they all look different. Alright, so let's just go back to our customized option. That's the curve we have created. Now you can add some transitions if you want. So let's say right in here, I will add the transition. Click on it and then split it between two. Over here, click on transitions. Select the transitions and drag it over. You can add more transitions if you want. Alright, so we have added some transitions and now let's just add some effects. Alright, so let's click on play and watch it. Alright, so remember to take your time and adjust with all these settings and your video will be much more engaging. So if you're satisfied with the video, just click on export and save it to your computer. Alright, so that's about it for today. That's how you can create beautiful slow motion videos in Capcut. If you have found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.